Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So if you are new, subscribe to channel and like this video. First of all, open your Instagram account and tap your profile icon. And now you click three dot icon. Now you click settings icon. Scroll down and now you click help. Now you click help center. Just wait for new browser. Now click manage your account. Now you can here search delete Instagram account. How do I delete my Instagram account? First link. Just click here. Interface. Just scroll down and now you can see this delete your account. You can see this delete your account. Just click here. Account. Click not now. And here you give any reasons. Enter your password.